Okay, so I know my first layers are going to be not so great. So now I want to start. So when I work there, there, there. I work the area together. Okay, I don't paint this finished and then that. So now I want to go up, and I can see there's a lot of light there. So now I need to look at, is it a fast or a slow transition? Now you can also add a slow drying medium. This is acrylic, so it dries very quickly. And you can add a slow drying medium like glycerine to it. Glycerine makes it take longer to dry. So now I'm going lighter. Can you see there? Can you see I'm working this way and this way? Okay, but I'm not painting a wall. It's not like I'm doing like this. I'm almost lifting the brush so I've got a darker and lighter section. Can you see it's starting to become very smooth now? Can you see? Yes. So now I'm starting to blend from the one color into the other. Now here I've got a fast transition, so I'm darker that way. Remember, when I want a fast transition, in between, I get rid of the paint so that I can blend. And look at that contrast. Can you see now it's like getting a contrast? And can you see how many times I keep working? I don't just do it once and then, oh, now it's finished. It's many, many, many layers over each other.